Hey, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today's video is going to be a flip through of these beautiful new Christmas products from Love Posh. This launch is happening on Wednesday, October 15th at 1 p.m. Central Time. I'll put my link in the description box. I always appreciate when you use that. It does help me out a great deal. We have a Christmas bundle here and then a separate sticker book. You can use my code BUMBLE10 on the sticker book to get 10% off. However, you can't use codes on bundles. Let's take a look at Christmas Love first because I'm really excited about this one. I love Christmas sticker books. The only problem I have with Christmas sticker books is I can never use enough of the stickers because it's only like 1 month that I use them, but I still really love them. Maybe I should be doing Christmas in July or something so that I can also use them, you know, at other times. This is a deluxe sticker book. It's really thick. Look how many pages there are. And so since there's so many pages, it is a little bit more than the other ones. So it is retailing at $40. The first page, there's lots of red and poinsettias. How cute is this? I love these little street lamps. They're adorable. And we have a reindeer down there. There's always a lot to look at in Love Posh sticker books. There's always things I miss. And then when I go back to use it later, I'm like, oh yeah, look at that. I didn't see that before. So it's kind of like I Spy in a way. You're gonna get 2 pages of these. These are on paper, by the way. So each of the pages in the sticker book, there's going to be 2 of them, so you can use your favorites and you don't have to worry about it because you'll have some more for later. Okay, so this also matches that first theme. Look at that pretty dress. We have like a Christmassy bedroom, and a Christmassy dining room, and a Christmassy living room. Fireplace, more poinsettias. We have a Christmas bucket list page. Wrap gifts, read holiday books, decorate for Christmas, send letters to Santa, host Christmas dinner, visit Santa, hang the stockings, cookie exchange, all that kind of stuff. You get 2 of that. And now we are into clear stickers here. Lots of greenery and a little Christmas tree or wreath, all that kind of stuff. So pretty, some Christmas treats. We have a garland up here with these Christmas balls. Some scenes here. These are going to be 3 separate stickers, I believe. Yeah. So each of these is a separate sticker. Lots of goodies. We have peppermints. I love this little corner peppermint. That's so cute. Gifts. Okay, so the good thing about Love Posh sticker books is there's a whole bunch of different themes in it, and this is obviously a completely different theme than the one I just showed you. But how cute is this? Totally different color palette, different designs. We have a little dog there, which I always love. Some desserts, some gifts, and these girls are chilling with their coffee or their cocoa, whatever they're drinking. Ooh, and then these are gonna match, right? Yeah, look. So you can make like a floral spread and then put these other little illustration elements in there, and I think that's always fun to do. I love these florals. These are so pretty. So you have like poinsettias, but they're pinker than normal, right? They're like, although you can get pink poinsettias, but yeah, they're the pink version. Really cute. And now we're going into more detailed illustrations here with these really detailed scenes. Look, they're shopping and lots of pink here. Some gifts, little stockings, all that kind of stuff. Each of these, I think, is like a little sticker. Yeah, all these are like little stickers, these little ornaments and stuff. Ooh, these are pretty. I love the pink snowflakes. They're different. Really cute. So these are still on clear. These are on clear as well. And this is a more moody, like darker version, right? A little bit different color palette, more like jewel toned. And lots of florals. More poinsettias. We have a little tree house here with the deer. Cute. Okay, now we get into paper stickers and they're wrapping gifts. We've got the wrapping paper there, the gifts that are wrapped. We have all these little decorations. They're all separate stickers. Even like a gnome, we have cookies down here. So there's so much to see on this page. Very cute. And then florals to go with that. And some pine cones and stars. And now we have pink clear stickers that are just very glam. It's like a glam Christmas, right? With the garland and the Christmas balls. We have the toy soldier. We even have a little typewriter there. Snow globe. Very festive. And more florals. We have the stockings, the greenery, all that kind of stuff. And now it looks like we're into Christmas like in Hawaii, or Christmas at the beach, Christmas probably on the West Coast, right? They're able to be outside on Christmas, which is crazy. I can't imagine that. It gets so cold here. We even have a coconut drink with a little candy cane in it. And the little golf cart, some books. I love the blue. Very cute. Surfboard. Somebody got a surfboard for Christmas. And palm trees and monstera leaves. These are really pretty florals. You could even use these florals like at another time of year, you know? These are all on paper. Now these are clear stickers. These are different. They're kind of like stylized, very different. More poinsettias in different colors. I love the dark blue in here. We have this little town down here at the bottom, and presents. Look at that little bear, so cute. A penguin holding a present. And this is gonna match with that, like a little train, outfits, Christmas balls at the top, poinsettias, all that stuff. Lots of different things to look at there. And now this is a very kind of doodly vibe, which you know I love, like a little cartoonish. We have a bookstore here and Polaroids, some books. I love the color palette here, it's so pretty. I love the Christmas lights here. I draw these on my page sometimes. They're so cute. Here's Wallace. He's like, is it Christmas yet, Mom? He's like, maybe I'll get a present. We have the fireplace, Merry Bookmas. Yeah, so this is like a book theme, I guess, but it's so cute. It's so cute. It doesn't necessarily have to be books. I love these too. Very cute. Paper. Okay, these are on paper as well. We have these really detailed snowflakes here. They're really pretty. And the colors of the trees are cute. It's kind of like a teal, turquoise, aqua-ish. So it's like brighter. Sorry, I didn't mean to hit you in the face, buddy, but you were kind of in the way. We have a Christmas door, some bows, the ornaments. These boxes here are cute. And then more boxes in different colors. I like that deer. So cute. Ooh, look at this. We have like the buffalo plaid here. And these girls that are just like half girls, you know, they're like just the bottom part. But they would be fun to put like, you know, under a box or something. And the trees are really cool. Ooh, we have like a cheetah there. This is neat, different. Okay, now we have some clear quotes. Believe in the magic, Christmas Advent, Merry Christmas, Snowflakes and Wishes, Christmas Movies and Chill, December 25th. The magic of Christmas never ends, and its greatest gifts are family and friends. All the jingle ladies. So you have those on clear, and then you have a page that's on paper of the same thing. And we have holiday cheer, cotton-headed ninny mungan. Wait, what's that? Merry mood activated, fa la 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 la, nice-ish, hello December, comfy and cozy. And same thing, you get some paper stickers here. And now we have boxes that are going to match the rest of the pages, and some to-do list strips, some headers, and more of these, some bullet points. So yeah, that's a really cute Christmas sticker book. It's called Christmas Love. Now let me show you this bundle. So if you're somebody who loves Christmas and loves to create like a Christmas planner every year, or if you're someone who's interested in creating a Christmas planner, this bundle is for you. I'll look at this in a second, but we have this classic planner insert pack, and this will fit a classic happy planner or any other planner of that size that's disc bound. We have 50 sheets of Christmas themed planning and memory keeping inserts. I'm going to look at that in a second, but first let's look at the dividers. So this is what's going to make up your Christmas planner. You have this Christmas cover. It says Merry Christmas, y'all. These pretty flowers inside, and then there is the back. Wait, which way does it go? That way. So there's the back. I like the lace there, it's really pretty. And then you're going to put your pages inside, and then you're going to use dividers. And these dividers come with a bunch of stickers, so you can choose what you put on these. You could also make your own as well, but there's a ton here. So they say December, Christmas, budget, wish lists, shopping, gift lists, card list, bucket list, to-do list, recipes, memories, activities, party, entertainment, crafts, and notes. Pretty much anything you need. Bumble's complaining about something. Anyway, you get 4 dividers. And this is going to help you get your... Hold on a second. I just realized that Wallace was so contrasty that it made everything look bad. I apologize for that. It turned everything light. Did not mean for that to happen. Usually it doesn't happen, but I am filming on my new phone, so I'm learning the new camera. So, anyway. So these are what the dividers look like. There's the first one. I love that they're double-sided with different pictures on each side. Really cute. Okay, let's look at the planner inserts. So the first page is the monthly December calendar, and then you have some lines at the bottom. We have a countdown to Christmas here, where you can color these in. A Christmas bucket list page. Books to read this season. Christmas movie watch list. Christmas playlist. Holiday traditions. I love how these boxes are on here, but they're kind of like gray, so they're not like in your face, you know. More holiday traditions. You can put photos there if you'd like. Christmas card tracker. Name, address, sent, and received. More of these. I don't send Christmas cards anymore, but I know some people still do. I just got out of it years ago. Christmas gift tracker. Recipient, gift, store, cost, and wrapped. Those are really handy. I make one of those every year in my planner. For sure. Thank you notes to send. Name, gift, address, sent. Christmas wish list. So, you know, you could give this to your kids and they could fill out their name and write in what they want. Of course, my kids would always need like at least one of these per person, you know, probably double-sided. Except my son. Michael never really asked for a whole lot. But, you know, girls will be girls and they always seem to have their lists ready, and same with me, I always did too. Stocking stuffers. Christmas shopping. So you have like some checklists there. A lot of those. Those are good for like Black Friday ideas. Christmas party planning. Date, time, venue, guest count, menu, budget, decorations, to-do list. I don't throw Christmas parties, so I probably wouldn't be using those. Christmas menu, though, I would use. Appetizers, main course, side dishes, desserts, beverages, other. And then we have a grocery list on the back. Christmas recipe, name of dish, prep time, cook time, serving size, ingredients, and directions. We're probably going to have a bunch of those, yeah. So lots of space to write in your favorite Christmas cookie recipes or whatever. Then we have Christmas memories. And the back has like, the back on this one has spaces for photos or whatever here, and then some lines. And then this one has like spaces for photos. That's different. So these alternate, it looks like. You have a bunch of those. And then in the back, you're just going to have pages that have lines and then a dot grid at the bottom, which I think is so versatile. And you have this many of those. Okay, so that's the planner. Let's take a look at this Merry and Bright sticker journaling kit. I really like the other one I have from Love Posh because it not only includes stickers, but it also includes papers, which I think are great. The first page, we have a bunch of florals and a bunch of candy canes, more of that. Then this page has pajamas and slippers and wrapping paper and all the things that looks like a Christmas Eve page. We have some Christmas lights up top, some mistletoe, those girls that you saw on the dividers. We even have a Christmas planner down here. Gifts, all that stuff, lots of different stuff. I love these. These are like corner stickers that look like you ripped paper, but you didn't rip the paper. So it's like, it's a fake out, you know? But I like the look of that, especially in my junk journal. And some tags and stuff. Some more of these ripped areas with wrapped presents, big bows and mistletoe, snuggle and watch it snow. More tags, more tags. So you can actually use these on your presents, or you can use them in your planner or your journal, whatever you need. Joy to the world, cheer, may all be merry and bright. And you get a page of strip stickers that are gonna match everything else. Very cute. And then you get letters in these books. I always love having letter stickers that go with the stickers, because sometimes I like to use them and then I have to search through all my letter stickers, but these are right here for you. And I love how some of them are patterned with the different patterns on the stickers. I think that's really fun. Also, these letter stickers from Live Love Posh in these journaling kits are like the perfect size letter, in my opinion. Like, it is just the perfect size. So look, I had a page out of my planner that was randomly sitting here. Like, do you see the size of it? It's perfect. So you can write like something in the sidebar. You can go up here, or you can just write something on a couple of days. Like, it's just a really good size sticker, and it's great for journaling too. It's like the perfect junk journal size sticker. And then you also get numbers, which is great. You get paper, which is awesome. And you can cut these out, and then it's like double-sided, so you have the backs. So you have to decide, like, okay, do you want this one or do you want this one? That's the only bad thing. Merry and bright. We have more like tags here and doilies and like lace and stuff, and that's really pretty. There's the back. And then these are bigger. And that's the back of that one. This one's really cool. And there's the back of that one. And then your Christmas plaid. And these flowers on the back. Again, that is the Merry and Bright Christmas bundle. And this retails for $50, which I think is a pretty good deal because you do get a lot in this, especially with all those planner inserts, which are going to be really useful for me this year, to be honest. I'm keeping them. Like, a lot of the time I do give these away to my patrons or to family members, but I'm going to definitely like use this planner, I think, and have a place for like all my Christmas stuff. Last year I did use a journal and it really helped, but I like the thought of having a planner instead. Anyway, I hope you liked these products. Let me know in the comments if you're excited about this release. Again, my link will be in the description box. Thank you guys so much for using my link. And that's all I have for you today. I hope you guys have a great day and a wonderful week. And you can look forward to seeing me use this Christmas stuff in the future. I'm just not going to make any Christmas content right at this very moment because I'm just not there yet. I'm not there yet, but I will be there pretty soon. Okay, I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.